Look at the cock and balls right over there.
Cock and balls.
Real quick now.
Cheers! Woo!
You're a great vlogger. Alice is a great vlogger. Look at the cock and balls right over there.
Cock and balls.
Cock and balls.
Okay, this is great. This is great. This is the beginning of a new vlog. Life is starting for real this time. It's happening. I can feel it in the air. I'm gonna film every day from now on.
Yep.
Most days. And I'm gonna actually that's a song. Everything. But I will actually edit tomorrow. So yeah, we're just we're out in the woods.
Oh no.
No, but we're in the woods and we're gonna film some music video shit right now.
I hate music videos.
I love them. Especially yours. They're the coolest ones.
No, they all suck.
They're all great.
No.
All of yours are great. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'll film the process.
Behind the scenes BTS.
Behind BTS.
I don't like bananas. Actually, it's... I feel like there's the ones across them.
That was the last bite of a Bounty bar. We just got back to Nick's apartment after filming all day in the woods. It was really fun. We were there for hours, so my feet and legs are definitely hurting. But it's so much fun getting all the sun. Hi, just came back to my place. I'm gonna do a quick workout and then shower, eat, do some schoolwork before I head back to Nick's place tonight. That's the plan.
Today we've got a 15-minute HIIT workout.
Honestly, those 15 minutes are brutal. Last time I did that workout, I could barely walk for like a week. But yeah, I'm super sweaty now. Feels great. I think I'm gonna make some lunch before the shower. We catch the last night bus home. You got the window seat. I lean against you, your arm around me. We could sit here till sunrise. I almost forgot about you again, but I remembered just in time. I'm at Nick's place now. I'm making the pie. Spinach feta pie. I just made this, the fucking pie dough. It's chilling in the oven. I just turned on the oven, so when it's hot, I'm gonna put the Pie. Shell in there. Cook for 10 minutes. I think I put too much butter in. It's like sinking to the bottom. It's been half the time. Sunk half the way down. Hopefully it start cooking enough to stop sinking down. No. It'll be fine, I think. Added the spinach. Done 150 grams of feta at the bottom. Now I'm gonna add this spinach. Shiz. I'm gonna pour this on. Wow.
Okay. You won. You are number one.
Break it down
Alice,
on
you
the phone real quick.
You are number one. Alice, you won. You are number one. You are number one. Alice, you won. 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 Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
No problem.
It's a new day in the life, and I'm making pancakes. So.
Yo.
Hello. I just came back to my place from NYX, and I'm going to do a quick 25-minute yoga for comfort and nourishment. Then I will take a nice warm shower. I'm a bit cold right now. And then cook some dinner, then do schoolwork. The usual kind of stuff. It's nice. I love spending as much time as possible with Nick, but I do realize that I really need my alone time as well. And it's becoming easier and easier to be alone. I used to be really good at it, but like somehow forgot. But I'm getting more and more into myself again, which feels really nice. It's important to not just fall into someone else's life completely and forget yourself, which happens super easily in new relationships. I know. But you can't forget yourself, and you have to be your own person, and that way you also have a stronger relationship, because you're two strong individuals coming together, helping each other, growing more, helping each other to grow more, which is really beautiful. So yeah, quiet evening at my place. Here we go.
Hello my darling friends, and welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene and this is Benji, and today we have a beautiful practice to help bring comfort and nourishment into your life.
That yoga and shower was exactly what I needed. It was so nice. It was a nice and slow yoga with lots of breathing, with slow movements, you know. Nice hot shower, and now we'll make some food. Yeah. In school.
Cheers. Exactly, making like free advertisement.
Nice. I just got back from school and I will do a quick 20-minute yoga flow right now. So yeah.
Dive right into noticing your breath.
I just ate such a yummy meal. I made potato wedges or chips with a tuna salad, like a creamy tuna salad, and I had some just green leaves and cucumber with it, some mayo and sriracha to dip the chips in. Oh, it was so good. Now it's time to make some tea and do some schoolwork. Hello everyone. Yes, still in the same hoodie. I love this hoodie. I live in this hoodie. I'm so freaking tired, man. The past 2 nights I kept waking up like every hour. So I had to get up for school early this morning. I had a 9 to 12 lesson. I woke up at 7:30. So I only was in bed for 6 hours and woke up like every hour. It's not ideal, but I was gonna say I feel fine right now, but I really don't. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do slow yoga with lots of breathing. It's one of my favorite ones. Then a warm hot shower.
And essentially we're starting in the corpse posture today.
Yeah, apparently we're going out tonight. I'm sleep deprived, but I'm excited, I think. I'm gonna eat big meal now.
So good.
Yay. no, this is always how it becomes so awkward. I should just start filming without asking and then ask for permission to you. Cheers!
Don't stop rolling. Never stop rolling. Rule number 1 of film school. Never stop rolling. Let's go. These ones.
Boys are back.
I had a friend named Shuf. And so how do you spell it? SJOERD. But so just, but they roll off the same. So I thought it's an Americanized version of a different thing actually. Same spelling, so we tried to.
There's no way, no one's gonna see this. Okay.
Oh, excellent. I'm glad I
Yes.
can contribute. Shoop D in the house, here to contribute to the blog as best we can. Heading east, World War III, good times ahead, and 2022, not boring. Not boring. That's all I can say.
Yeah.
Right? Not boring. Not gonna be a boring year.
Perfect.
That went to Berlin first. And they were like, dude, Burgermeister's amazing. You gotta go to Burgermeister. We went to Burgermeister in Leipzig, and it was shit. It was like the worst burger I
Burgermeister. Cheese rise.
It's a whole roofing system.
Caught it.
But I'm not sure. No, man.
How do I do that?
Yeah.
Okay, ready. Woo! Awesome.
Say sorry, you gotta go. I say wait, don't mean you so. You say I
Yo,
gotta
son.
go.
Didn't know music stuff.